I'm Michelle here at Willow Cove for our regular Monday plant giveaway. We will also be celebrating Healthy Snack Day today. We're going to go ahead and turn garden-grown produce into a snack. We're going to use our blender bite to do this, along with fruits and veggies. We'll start with yogurt. We'll use strawberry yogurt. That'll make our snack nice and thick. We're going to add blueberry and a little bit of kale. If it's too thick, we're going to use apple juice. Come on, Jasmine, let's get things started.
Healthy snacks are fun snacks.